Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, checking out this Cartier Roadster with this dreamy purple mother of pearl dial. The Cartier Roadster has a very interesting shape, and I think it's not one that you see all of the time, so I really think it could add some interest to your collection if you want a watch with a different shape, really spice it up a little bit. It's also got a stainless steel bracelet and case, so it's very easy to pair with anything, and it's a very durable watch, so it's great for daily wear. But I think that the showstopper on this watch is this gorgeous purple mother of pearl dial that shifts from purple to blue to cyan, and it's so gorgeous. It looks like a purple sky, and it's something that is very unique, and it's not something you don't see all of the time. I think that this watch would look gorgeous if you paired it with some very purple rings like amethyst, or earrings, you know, or maybe some silver jewelry like a silver necklace or silver bracelets on your other hand, or maybe even if you could go all out and pull on the purple from the mother of pearl and pair it with a pastel purple handbag with silver hardware. I just think that would look so cool and would really make this watch kind of a statement piece on your wrist, because it's such a gorgeous piece. So if you want to check out this Cartier Roadster or any of our other Cartier Roadsters for sale, check out SwissWatchExpo.com.